when you turn around away from me and then come back, have your right leg further upstage than your left leg so that you have an opening to slip the poi in to come out this way as you finish the turn. Try rotating slightly more when you're coming to the front so that your right hip comes forward even further, and see if that helps. So as it's coming around, okay, I'm just going to do the extension part. As you're coming up, over, and down, I feel like as I'm coming in here, you can do it with a slight isolation so that your loop can get further behind the ass with less reaching under the groin. The other alternative is to reach further, like your hand closer to your crotch. Repeat it multiple times. You're like this, and then when you're turning, you're sort of landing more like this than like this. You're not rotating the 3/4 of the turn sufficiently so that your right leg is behind your left leg or in line with your left leg rather than here in front of it, which will help drive it forward as you were describing earlier. Try starting the turn with more of a turnout on your left leg so that you're already partially rotated to the left, which will make the turn, right? So if you have this foot, the left foot turned out left more. I'm trying to give you techniques that'll work for you. They're not necessarily techniques that work as well for me. I'm using, like, it seems to me, observing you, but without seeing myself, that the difference between how you're doing it versus how I'm doing it is I'm swinging my leg around. So I'm here and I'm actually lifting my leg more to use that for momentum than it appears to me you are using. Oh, maybe that's the thing you were talking about before when you were saying it feels like the leg is pushing you forward. If you swing the leg more and you use the momentum of the hip, that will propel the turn and that might get you where you're trying to be. Ground in your left foot, and as you lift the right foot to do the 3/4 turn, propel by swinging the leg to help, swinging the right leg to help get you around. The other thing that I would suggest, because when you did it just standing there and you just did the turn, you turned better. So if you lose it, go back to just doing the turn a couple of times without the poi to remind yourself the feeling of the sensation of the turn.